Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. In today's video, we are discussing a very important concept in civil law: balance of convenience, which plays a crucial role when courts decide whether to grant temporary injunction or not. You will learn meaning and purpose when courts consider it, major factors affecting the decision, real-life examples, important Supreme Court judgments. So, let's begin. What is balance of convenience? When a party files a temporary injunction application under Order 39 Rule 1 and Rule 2 of the Civil Procedure Code, the court applies three major legal tests. 1. Prima facie case: is the applicant's case strong and supported by evidence? 2. Balance of convenience: who will suffer more inconvenience or hardship? 3. Irreparable injury: can the loss be compensated later by money? Among these three, balance of convenience helps the court weigh the comparative hardships between the two parties. In simple words, the party that will face greater loss if the injunction is not granted should be protected by the court. At what stage is it considered? Balance of convenience is considered only at an interim stage. That is, before the final decision of the case, when a party urgently requires legal protection. It is examined during the first hearing of injunction applications, even before witnesses are examined and full evidence is recorded. This ensures that the rights of parties are safeguarded before irreversible harm occurs. What exactly does the court compare? Courts conduct a comparative hardship analysis, considering who is in lawful possession right now, who has produced stronger documentary evidence at this stage. If injunction is refused, who will face greater damage? Will the hardship be temporary or long-term? Can money compensate the loss later? Which side has acted fairly with clean intentions? What steps can preserve the current status of the property? Courts prefer status quo to prevent a wrong from becoming permanent. Real-life practical example. Imagine Person A has documents proving he purchased the property legally. Person B suddenly starts constructing on the same land. The case will take months or years to decide. If B completes construction and later A wins, the structure will be impossible to remove without causing huge loss. A would suffer irreparable damage. Therefore, the balance of convenience lies in favor of A. The court will pass a temporary injunction restraining B from construction. This protects A until the final judgment. Balance of convenience in commercial cases. In trademark disputes, copyright matters, or business contracts, courts protect market share, goodwill, confidential information, and reputation. Example: if a company illegally copies a brand name and the original owner files a suit, court examines which party will suffer more if injunction is delayed. Protecting genuine goodwill is considered more convenient and just. Landmark judgments. Let's look at some important cases where balance of convenience was explained. 1. Dalpat Kumar vs. Prahlad Singh, 1992 SC. Supreme Court held: injunction cannot be granted merely on sympathy. The party must clearly prove balance of convenience with material evidence. No presumption, only legal proof is valid. 2. Gujarat Bottling Co. Limited vs. Coca Cola Co. 1995 SC. Court observed: interim injunction aims to protect the plaintiff from injustice during trial. The focus is to avoid a legal advantage turning into a permanent loss. 3. Wonder Limited vs. Antox India Pvt Limited, 1990 SC. Court emphasized protection of status quo to maintain fairness between parties. No change should occur that affects the final outcome. 4. Bestsellers Retail, India, Pvt Limited vs. Aditya Birla Nuvo Limited, 2012 SC. Court said: prima facie case alone is not enough. Balance of convenience must strongly support the party seeking injunction. All three elements must be proven, not just one. 5. M. Gurudas vs. Rasranjan, 2006 SC. Court clarified the principle of comparative mischief. The court prevents the side that may cause maximum harm. Lesser inconvenience is equal to stronger balance of convenience. Key takeaways. Applied during temporary injunction hearings. Only at initial interim stage. Based on comparative hardship. Court safeguards against irreparable harm. Focus on preservation of rights and status quo. In short, balance of convenience protects the weaker side from greater potential injury before the final judgment. If you found this information useful, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can receive more such important legal videos in time. I assure you that I will continue to provide accurate, lawful, and research-based legal information on various topics through this channel. Your support means a lot to me, so I humbly request you to stay connected with this channel. By joining this channel, you can also receive special legal information and membership benefits. Thank you very much for watching the video. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.